Do you ever replay the same thoughts in your head over and over until you feel paralyzed? That's not just overthinking. That's your brain trapping you in a loop. But the good news, there's a way out. You want to make the right choice. So you think and think and think again. But instead of clarity, you end up anxious. Instead of action, you stay stuck. And the more you try to solve it, the deeper the spiral becomes. Think of your mind like a hamster wheel. At first, it feels like progress. You're moving fast. But really, you're just exhausting yourself in the same spot. That's what overthinking does. It burns energy but takes you nowhere. Here's the science. Your brain is wired to avoid mistakes and pain. So when faced with uncertainty, it replays scenarios endlessly. It's like a toddler pulling on your sleeve saying, wait, but what if? What if? What if? The problem is, clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from acting sooner. Step one, and name the loop. The first way out is awareness. When you catch yourself spiraling, don't judge it. Label it. This is overthinking. Just naming it interrupts the loop. Step two, the 5-second action rule. As Mel Robbins says in the 5-second rule, if you have an instinct to act, you must move within 5 seconds or your brain will kill it. Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take one small step. Send the email. Open the book. Start the workout. Action breaks the cycle every time. Step 3, set boundaries for thinking time. Instead of endless mental loops, give yourself a container. Example, I'll think about this problem for 15 minutes. After that, I'll act. This transforms thinking from a trap into a tool. Step 4, replace what if with what now. Overthinking lives in the future. Shift your focus to the present by asking, what can I do right now? That single question pulls you out of the fog. Wisdom from top authors. Clarity comes from engagement, not thought. Marie Forleo. You don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. Worry is a misuse of the imagination. Dan Zadra. Action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. Benjamin Disraeli. Thinking will not overcome fear, but action will. W. Clement Stone. Your mind will always try to keep spinning, but every time you act, you step off the hamster wheel. You prove to yourself that you don't need every answer to move forward. So here's your challenge. The next time you catch yourself overthinking, don't ask, what if? Ask, what now? Then do the smallest action in front of you, because clarity doesn't come from thinking harder. It comes from moving forward.